Hi, welcome to UA Libraries. In this video, we'll discuss how to use RefWorks, an online tool that organizes and manages citations for research. There are two ways to get to RefWorks. You can use the URL refworks.ua.edu and then click Access New RefWorks, or you can select Research Guides in the top right corner box of the library website homepage, lib.ua.edu, then scroll down to the Citation drop-down menu. Select RefWorks, and then click the RefWorks link on the homepage. On the RefWorks login page, click Use Login from my institution and type in University of Alabama. You should be rerouted to the MyBama login portal. Enter your MyBama username and password. After you log in, you should see your main RefWorks library. This is where all of your references are stored. We'll discuss organizing your sources in a little bit. First, let's talk about uploading sources. There are a few different ways to upload sources to RefWorks. You can upload sources from a file by clicking the Add button at the top left corner of the screen. This gives you the option to import Word or PDF documents, upload RIS files, or manually enter reference information. You can also export references to RefWorks from different databases by clicking the Cite option at the top of the page, then Export Citation, and then Export to RefWorks. When importing to RefWorks, you can choose to assign the reference to a folder, import the tags from the database, and search for a full-text file of the source. The source will then show up in the last imported page, and then in the full reference library. You can organize sources in RefWorks by assigning tags or sorting them into folders. To create a folder, select the My Folders option from the menu on the left side of the screen. The first option in the drop-down menu is to add a folder. You will name the folder and then go back to the main library. To add sources to folders, click the Sources so the checkbox is marked, and then click Assign from the menu at the top of the page. Then click your folder name under the Assign to Folder option. You can also add tags to different references. Check the box next to the source for which you want to add tags, then click the Add Tags button from the menu at the top of the page. You can either select an existing tag or create a new one by selecting Create Tag under the typing box. You can also view and search your tags under the Tags drop-down menu on the left side of the screen. You can also create entire projects by clicking the drop-down menu at the top of the screen and clicking Manage Projects, then Create New Project. As a citation manager, RefWorks will also generate citations and bibliographies for your references. To generate a citation, click the checkbox next to a source and click Create Bibliography from the menu at the top of the page. If you are just generating a citation, select the Quick Cite option. RefWorks will ask what citation type you would like to generate. Make sure that you pick the type appropriate to your class or assignment and that you have selected the most recent version. Then click Continue. To create an in-text citation, click the checkbox next to the source and select Copy Citation. To create a bibliography, you can select multiple sources and then Continue to Bibliography. To create just a bibliography, you can also select multiple sources from the main project. Click Create Bibliography at the top of the page and select the Create Bibliography option. You can then copy and paste the bibliography into your document. Please double-check your citations and bibliography formatting before turning in anything for a grade. You can also export your references from RefWorks to another citation manager like Zotero or EndNote by checking the boxes next to the source titles and then selecting Share from the menu at the top of the page. Then click the Export References option and select the format. The most common file format is RIS. You can also choose to just export the select references or export all the references in your library. If you have further questions or need assistance with using RefWorks, please contact the library by either calling or using Ask a Librarian at ask.lib.ua.edu. Thanks, and see you next time.